how to connect Trust Wallet to JumpTask. Sign into your JumpTask account, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and you should see Connect Wallet here underneath Payout. Click on Connect Wallet, and it's going to tell us that a crypto wallet is needed to withdraw your earnings. So you want to click on Connect with Wallet. Right here from this list, you will select Trust Wallet. And now you want to scan your QR code. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to click on Open in Trust. Okay, so right here, what is going to happen is going to detect your wallet from your phone. And you will click on I understand, or whatever you will need to sign into your main account actually. So I'm going to click on main wallet here, and I am going to scan this again. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, open in Trust, Face ID. Okay, so now it's going to look like this, and you want to click on Connect. Okay, confirm. You will click on confirm here. Then you will use Face ID, and boom, you will have successfully connected your accounts here, linked accounts. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.